We make una promise this morning time, country people them say this so go do all things. For sure now, the dog them where they bite person killer, attack person killing. For place where they call and say this so for Bonabedi back say blank. We tell una say no fit for sure for morning time for Sika say the image where they film am, bring am. As they put her inside computer, Zachary put her inside a computer. Come out for a computer. One put her inside computer for a bigger doctor. Where you don't carry virus, them virus plenty for that side. The virus pass 8. It pass Sida. It's in Chakara. But they go back for day, go take image for the dog them. Let me say now, we go show now, dog the way they kill person. Person come up for morning time 5:30. Is the run for go make sports. After sport, he go pass up with boutique. That means say store for say bread, butter, chocolate for people they go chop inter school for morning time for lycée bilingue. They Bonabedi they country people them. German bulldog them. Belgian Allemand them. When I went to their master do because for German bulldog for tier person so it means say the dog never surely chop belly food. Now so they jump fence. Follow the man. And you say German bulldog, it one jump for your skin. They jump for your skin going for years, oh boy. Click at us one time. That's what happened for them. Who tell you about now this man will get Denver nightclub. The Denver nightclub. Now come out for morning time for inside nightclub. So 4:30. And they drive like bim bim bim. They sing song for your heart when mulu for head of nearer to come into the Lord. You don't finally go see God. Jam container. We don't go for that side there for Katibafia. Motor cut into two. Now die one time. The person where be they won't go now. The hospital. Inside coma. When a coma on a full stop. We go talking about this matter where they call and say this so strike. For play with the talk for that side, this one for Econa population for Econa, then vex strike. I say population for Econa, then vex strike. The sous-prefect division officer common Muyuka. Can you know say Econa then under Muyuka subdivision country people then. We go tell una about road for Mungo division. Nkonsampa bolande dimi bangi mo. We go tell una about this matter for say this so mvoka da market, marché mvoka da dirty pass mark. Then, Martino, Ebalotin. Esombe, by Mananga, by Malapet, Banga, Bibel. Let me say this, so young boys, they need green gift for read Bible. They need to go church. Also, they know, now for where trousers be for here, they come and say, I beg, how na call that trouser? Where they run tie bass. Other one they get they wear Matelo. Other one they wear DVD. Then they go church. Then they read Bible. It doesn't matter so. Me I be elder for church. When I can't put for church like this PC Cité La Paix Parish way, they will day for church on Sunday, and the other day they day for different side by side places and so for that side for work I do it if they in the book kind and so country people there. Most room churches them for Pentecostal. Even the other one carrying with the way close for CWF last Sunday. You see, no care, they let them move the clothes first. You first enter for day for waiting. Anyway, now we talk about online setting matter. So about lot we'll talk about the cry. It's an anniversary today for how he died. So I want a big salute this one. Assalamu alaikum for all Muslims the way they start the day with me today. Oh, finish for us, we're going to for mosque for make for Imam Modibo Masa talk for make prayer. And at the wait, all man bring all mouton for front by mosque. Before Tuesday, we go cut neck for that mouton. Tria shwe budi here. But it matters so contribute to a big salute. Na to read this and we go here today for me we go here. So, assalamu alaikum for all when I give me start with saying story for today. Saying story for today. When Balok pin food for your back, even ripe banana, go move your teeth. Same story for today. If balok pin foot for your back, even ripe banana, if you move your teeth. Thank you, Pa Ernest, for Tibati Day. Thank you plenty, Pa Ernest, for Tibati. As we talk about and to for that chapter and that palaver for this who contribute. Elach Dauda to support them, Dauda police, support them for banyo this whole country people there. So we're not today for una talk security. Accident. Before accident, we talk about dog. German bulldog, the way they finish people. German bulldog, the way they finish people for that side to contribute them. They kill person for back lycée bilingue de Bonabé this morning time. Police building and police fire them when a divisionnaire est Sogo. Yes. Now Raymond est Sogo divisionnaire young give order say today they finish and for them will make patrol. Una see. Look at for back lycée the Oman go look and say hey dog them they come on inside fence. Come on inside fence. Bounty on top of the other side to contribute them. One time. Tier man for them. Look, the two German bulldog, look at. Now police on fire them with the guns, so whatever matters to contribute them. Now police on chakara them with the guns, so look there. These two, though, they finish, they come on, so they fall on top police them. Look at it, look, now so the TT, now man close that. Now the man that close that, the TT, and for this TT, the man. Look at blood. TT, poto to for they were no for that road bat for back say, that road bat they for they look at the man don't try for run. Look at it for the police now they enter for they would say intervention rapid and the man story where they say bread, haricot, petit café for this so where they run now for go up now. Say me picking and try chop and for morning time we cook haricot picking and try chop for morning time so country people them. Every day the two dogs in this way they don't do wonderful palaver. I say wonderful palaver for this whole country, people are not get them. Nothing that way it happened for this whole country. People say this matter. So can't for this kind of situation I get them. Doctor, you know, sir, beggar. No put logo there, no put logo for day. Put them for key. Send them. May go show them for because no man no, they no get them. They no get them. So put them show may they go show them for day. Doctor. Problem no day. We learn how to share. God bless the cheerful giver. So they give cheerfully. No, we talk about the accident. Accident happened on both sides. Now for that side for first tunnel aéroport. After marché de fleurs, you reach au quartier Bafia, so you enter quartier Bafia, so that first tunnel. Oh, but now for them now quench to this so the person where you be there for hospital. Now you do not see. Look at. They don't go carry container so. If you don't get ampan, it fall, get breakdown. Look and see motor. He got motor into two. Got Land Cruiser into two. Now in a proprietor. Now be Oga Kwata for Denver nightclub. Hey, come over there one time. They drive to go back for us. Nearer to the Lord. Come in nearer to the. Now that. They drive so go jam gongoro. Jam to the somersault, motor cut into two. Now only this side we see, if you don't see this, so now VX motor, we call and see this, for that side see this, now Land Cruiser. Look at Kamambu, they become for this country people, them police and come for this. We can talk about inside this. Shoot them, so official them and commissioner them for that side, the principal them. Wait now for that side for commissariat Saint Can number 1 with the camp. If you can see which way it really happened for this accident. So where them not angry about that. I beg I'm not angry about that. Papa, my brother, you doing what you follow? Okay. Ou comment now go for play the and say, I be telling my say Muyuka na from Kambe, from boom, for win boom, for toxicity. See this so another year. Meyuka, said Meyuka another year. But why am I taking place in Muyuka? And now Muyuka subdivision, some village they will call say Ekuna, just after Boyari, after Munya, Ekuna. So for Ekuna then now, what did happen for Ekuna? People then vex say Q2 for Ekuna no get light since 6 months. 6 months we do not get light. So they vex now against ISO. But they can block na road where they go from Mutengene to Kumba. Now it is. Look at. So the police can with the tear gas. I say anti-riot when they come and say Jamie for Boya. Hey, come on, can I with tear gas? Come, wait, look at. They put them, look at, you want to shoot. You want to shoot. No, yes, I say, no shoot, no shoot, no shoot. School level, there, beginning level, school. Eh? You take us over shoot, they shoot to tear gas. And they shoot na tear gas when they come to put it. For the space where they come barre road. But for that side, there's no come get time. Say this 8 March, we talking about that. Now yesterday morning time. But for this, so the kind of situation, look at all the calculum and the palavona ketan for that one, two, for the country people, so and so we can say this, so and a transformer. Now, it cost the for this, so the transformer cost the for the country people. You must going to happen for that site and the situation. For the way they bring gendarme and police and come plenty now for come disperse police. Our problem is transformer. Hey, our problem is transformer. No be any other thing for they. So put in the no go farm that day, don't do nothing. Put other one the carry car for their head for crossroads because they so they belong by the block road or thing for that side so the motor is turned out for day. I beg I put on two inside key USB send them or send them safe through telechargement. Problem no day for that side. No problem no day. So one of the people they ask the two boys for they say una one wait be una problem. Wait una problem for this corner so and una depend on Muyoka subdivision. When I hear with this boy there, then talk when I hear.
No man no dey way in the camp for night. You the one sleep, you the look on your car come in and no car broke your house carry and for night. You need lights.
6 months straight, going to 9 months, we need new transformer. Yeah, no, yes. So today so suddenly we metal, we new transformer. So any one book will be for here. Yes.
When I don't talk. Okay. Oga divisional officer Tabot Thomas Tabok Momanyu Bayan the man. When I hear the answer for that question, when I ask you, for that thing, when I talk, so when I hear the answer. When I hear super talk.
When light no day, the things for do not be for can lock national road. When light no day, una make a delegation, can't see me from my office. Una the yes, so? Yeah. Make a delegation. When light no day, form a small delegation. Una come from my office, can't see me. Una don't come and deny for receive una. No. Una see say una don't focus. Una don't focus. Because when something there, una no go take power. Una no go take law for una hand. Una can block national road where all man the user. Una be supposed to make small delegation. Una come for the office. Una tell you say we have problem now. Say we never get light for social day. Dio, we want light.
No, you know, Dio, we want light. And as we want light, so Dio again asks question. Who asks question say, Dio, how if you do now? What if you tell them again? Okay, Dio, tell them something we go make their heart go get small, calm, and peace. Dio, tell them.
Mona, be calm. The best way for do this thing not be for lock road. Not be for lock road. When you lock road, that means you don't suffer all Cameroon people. You don't suffer people with the key light. People with the key light now. Now AES want to use the road. No. This road na national road. National means say na roadway be for the whole Cameroon for user. The whole all man the partner for this. If we would have blocked this road only for 2 hours. Only for 2 hours. It will bring very wonderful problem.
How we don't tell them so many calm down. Now, if they decide to block the road again, Oga sous-prefet, you go do them waiting. If they block them again, you do them waiting. Answer me.
I want to be very clear. Yes. All the 2 times we don't catch someone. No. But when we not continue, we will catch ringleaders. I want to make myself abundantly clear. If we not continue, so we will catch people. Now the thing we don't talk say, we want peace. And we come now for peace. These people, the way they come so, they come now for peace. Una don't hear? Yes. So, make una dispense. Me, I don't already call the chief of center for AES Sonel for Boya because the one I corner zone is there for Boya. Now Boya the control this side. Now from Moyoka go down that side where Moyoka said the chief of center there for Moyoka. So me I don't already communicate. and hierarchy don't already hear una problem. So una just wait a bit, una go see the intervention will come small time.
Thank you.
So I want to ask una say, when any man go back for house, he go do it in the way he do.
No, not
any
true.
man go do his work. Una don't hear?
Yeah.
Voilà. So I'm trying to.
So they don't go back for us, sous-préfet. Sous-préfet, they don't go back for us. If they say, we okay, say no, say they don't go back for us, or they can't matter. So trouble no day again. If you trouble day, the place where trouble day come to people there. Namungo division. Nderi ango bising I say, Nkonsamba bolanje dimi bangi mo. Nkonsamba bibi na number 3 town for this Cameroon. But now, Nkonsamba there for back like Bameta or my buttocks. Use that buttocks, they ever play prolongation. They couldn't say back boot. So the whole Mungo division wrote no day. Wrote no day. Ain't no Sabega. Ladies. Look up. Say Ben Sikin the dance buyer. How much more of 4 weeks drive? Look up. They dance mbaya, dance merengue, dance cha-cha-cha. Look at. Even police motor to go there, turn up because no way no day for pass. See wait till it happen. See wait till it happen. Now not than this for Mungo division. Now not than this. Now we talk to where they say now all chop come. I see that motor is for this commissariat for Benjome. Say the one for Penja too. Where no day. Way no day for way no day. You see, way no day for way no day for that side two country. People as no congregate and say this can issue them for this. Wonderful parla for them. But tell you about some market. For your own day so marché acacia they fine. But mfokada day so marché mfokada. That market is so Market dirty pass mark, especially. I don't know why all places where they resell fowl dirty. I will put over like fowl. Me and I chop fowl, but I chop na chicken. Over chicken. And I chop me fowl. I chop na chicken. Yes. You might not ask me what is the difference. The difference between fowl and chicken. Now the very difference where they between 6 and half a dozen. Yes. Mashem Vokada. Now it is. Long market, Poto market, na even Vokada. Dirty for market, Vokada. Whatever they wash fowl, smelling water them, Vokada. Outside for day, look at feather for fowl. Hotting, Marché Vokada. Marché Vokada, he look shoe, chaka for pie foot, How you go do way better shoe go for play so they say I can please them. What can you say Poto utan? You don't turn a rain boot. On a poto boot. For that matter, so contributing. How many complain? You no go complain, you do her. But if you no go for day, you go chop stone, now for day you go buy am. Look dirty. It's a come no day for that market demand on how they happen. The market no get syndicat for connection then for that matter too. Or na bureau where if you do that side they contribute. Hang at you on my talk. Mami yango then say they go for they go buy am. They go do her and they go do her for the sue. Yowa. Remember Eboa Lotting. People need plenty to ask and say this. Eboa Lotting die which no sabi. Eboa Lotting die which no sabi. Eboa Lotting first of all be na who they no sabi. I no go ask this case of Daniel Kenya because Eboa Lotting no be generation. No be generation. You know, it's year na year. You want things so say Matumba. About Daniel Kenya you ask you say what you mean Tumba? You was Emmanuel Ebalotin that you see beyond na for Paris this. You say Douala man dream na say make you see Paris before he die. Oh Paris. The one I tell you every day, with President Mobutu Sese go the chop for a table for Zaire they contribute. Now a compound is where you build them. You enter there, they show outing with this, you can't take away about their life service, they show outing. You know they hide no one. Any president for Africa gives on TikTok say the man don't give me. Now Madame Mukusa this. Now Ebalotin Mukusa this. Jacqueline Ebalotin. Now you must say that to country for them. Answer the matter for the chapter them. How everything they come before this way. Explain how we all the events with the community. Events internet never do nothing. Internet don't promise monument. You know put up. Internet don't promise canteen for balloting. Ain't not one. They want to say they contribute money. Harvest Thanksgiving. Oxy for do. Internet say live all. Community even go take care. Who's idea? Internet say say if balloting been a picking for aqua no. Internet don't act very fast. Very fast. For this matter, so look at the balloting with Mulu for hand. He say, hey, look at Kaimani for your back. He said the matter so contribute with them. Head in there, the Carago, balloting that. Hold in there, the Carago for singing about Kaiman. For this matter, so country people them. As the thing come take place, so don't na Gomorrah look na Epikinis. Epikinis. Siam, Heki, Lotting. For this country, people that can't get time for this matter. So, now the small one that we get them for today, we begin as small, you know, the plenty. But that's more so plenty. We know you take one topic or two topics for the whole program, or three topics for the whole program. We take them plenty, give us small. Jara, okay, I beg you to insist. I know see a service social don't work today. Monsieur Pascal Cougnet, oh non, Pascal Cougnet. Pascal Cougnet annonce la disparition de sa grande sœur. La nommée Demche Marie, âgée d'environ 75 ans et ne jouissant pas de toutes ses facultés mentales. Elle serait partie du domicile familial 6 à PK8 entre laïcs depuis le jeudi 9 octobre aux environs de 15h30 minutes. Au moment de sa disparition, la nommée Demche Marie était vêtue d'un cabas de couleur jaune fleuri. Pieds nus, elle s'exprime difficilement en laadjou. Laadjou, c'est la langue banjoun. Et en fait, c'est-à-dire en bafang. Monsieur Pascal Cougnet prie toute personne qui retrouverait ou hébergerait sa grande sœur, Demche Marie, de bien vouloir le joindre au numéro de téléphone qui s'affiche au bas de votre petit écran, à savoir 99 59 27 71. 99 59 27 71 ou encore le 72 65 55 25. 72 65 55 25. Ou à défaut, conduit maman Demche Marie à Equinox Télévision compte très très forte récompense. Yowa. Hinosa Bega Doctor, thank you plenty. Derek Jator, thank you for Boya. David Sinmaimo for Victoria, thank you. Yes, but I thank you all. Bafang all side, Garwa all side. The number so. Now call we all side to really happen. For midnight to 2 o'clock, all time we will come out, go find them, get them. We don't finish show now, get for that one into the show. Trouble no day. Any man. Hey, no, sir, thank you plenty. Alain Zingazete, una fisi PG News for www.equinoxtv.cm. Or una enter for Massa Talk Talk, that means www.massatoktok.com. Now go meet up PG News. Massa Talk Talk. Basket mop, you there inside. Hoha. They wanna from 6 p.m. today. Hey, no, Sabega, thank you. Daniel Kenye. I don't lang say you, no, Daniel. I don't lang say you. Maybe so. Okay, if you not see my belly, if you not see my back, my belly never front. Alhamdulillah.